It has been 2 months since I came back from my trip, and it is time to go back on the trail, on the Trans-America Trail. So this weekend I'm going to the mountain here in North Carolina to do 2 or 3 sections of the Trans-America Trail. I can get on the trail within 1 hour from here, so that's pretty cool. I will show you later the section that I am planning to do, but first I need to load the Jeep, and that shouldn't take too long because I have my checklist ready, so everything is pretty much ready to go, to be loaded in a Jeep, so it's just a matter of doing it. And another thing, this time I am not going by myself. I'm going with a buddy of mine. He has a Jeep as well, and he's getting ready to do a pretty crazy overlanding trip, something I want to do too. He's going to drive from here to Alaska. So I guess this weekend be a good opportunity for him to try his new gear and some of his setup in the mountain. It's probably going to be pretty cold, so we'll see what happens. So this time it'll be 2 Jeeps and not 1. So anyway, I'll show you the route that we are planning to do, but first I need to load the Jeep before it gets dark and cold in here. So talk to you later.
In 2 miles, take exit 201 for Union Cross Road.
And this is it on my way, meeting my
Merge onto Union Cross Road.
Then turn right.
Burger King here. Okay, I'm at the Burger King meeting my buddy. His Jeep is here, so he must be having lunch. So I'm gonna check inside, and then we'll be heading to the mountain. Are you done yet?
10 nuggets for $1.
Nice.
I got 2.
So we just got off the Interstate 40, and we're gonna go on the Trans-America Trail right now, starting on the section 5. And I think that's the beginning of the section 5, or not close to be the beginning. So let's go. Ready? section 5. I just want to see where the next section goes. So at 7. Section 6. Okay, so we're here, Bakersville. Okay, it's funny because it says 45 mile on my GPS, so I have to look. Oh no, maybe that's this one. That's the Great Smoky Mountain. Okay, so we have 107 miles, session 6.
All right,
Ready?
let's do it.
Running on the road. And we finally made it to the Mile High Campground, which is closed, but that's okay. And we have to find a spot. And here is the setup for the night. A little foggy. Okay, let's go check out the bears.
Alrighty.
Hey, get your bear spray. That would help. Well, no bear today. Feeders are empty. Looks like they're being really hungry. To shoot up the bottom. I see you. It's pretty dark. It's raining pretty hard. Thunder, lightning. We're at top of the mountain. Everything is good. Yeah, cool. Not going to get all my food, so my first MRE. What does that mean again?
Meal ready to eat.
Meal ready to eat. And vegetable stew with beef. Nice. Well, let's try it.